In a dense jungle far away, lived a community of monkeys who were very skilled at swinging from tree to tree. Among them was a young monkey named Momo, who was curious about everything around him. Unlike his peers, Momo was always looking for ways to solve problems and make life easier for everyone. One day, Momo stumbled upon a ravine that divided the jungle into two parts. On one side of the ravine was an abundant area filled with fruits, and on the other side was the main habitat of the monkey community. The distance was too far to swing across, and the monkeys had long given up visiting the fruit-laden trees on the other side. Momo, however, saw an opportunity. He spent days observing how engineers built bridges by watching humans from afar and devised a plan. He started gathering sturdy vines, fallen branches, and large leaves. With determination, he began weaving a bridge. At first, the other monkeys laughed at Momo, thinking he was wasting his time and effort. But Momo didn't let their mockery deter him. Slowly, he began constructing the bridge piece by piece. One day, an elderly monkey named Grandpa Banjo approached Momo. Grandpa Banjo had seen many seasons and knew the value of determination and hard work. Instead of mocking Momo, he offered his wisdom and assistance. Together they worked tirelessly. Days turned into weeks, and slowly, more monkeys started appreciating their efforts. They stopped laughing and began to help. Eventually, the bridge was completed. The entire monkey community gathered to witness the first crossing. Momo, with a confident smile, stepped on the bridge, followed by Grandpa Banjo. They reached the other side safely and celebrated by picking the delicious fruits that had eluded them for so long. The bridge Momo built didn't just connect two parts of the jungle. It connected the hearts of the monkey community. They realized the importance of unity and working together. From then on, the monkeys used the bridge regularly, and it became a symbol of collaboration and innovation. They also began to see Momo not as a dreamer, but as a visionary who taught them that building connections was more valuable than creating walls or staying isolated. Momo's bridge became a lesson passed down through generations, reminding everyone that collaboration and understanding can overcome any obstacle.